Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, premium sound system, bucket seats, remote trunk release. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2014 Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, floor mats. Come see the car for yourself.